Our carbon dioxide emission has become a bigger and bigger issue in Denmark.
There will be a very dramatic change in our climate if we don't do anything.
It comes as a surprise to many people that buildings harm the environment so much as they actually do.
There's a huge potential for energy saving and CO2 emission reduction in the buildings.
Many municipalities could benefit from an energy performance contracting project.
We think Schneider Electric people are the best in Denmark to do such kind of project. Middelfart is a very lovely municipality. We have a lot of water and nature. We were aware that we have some bad buildings. Our consumption of energy in our buildings were very high, and we should do something about that. It cost us a lot of money, and it's also bad for our climate, so we should do something.
I think it comes as a surprise to many people that 40% of our carbon emission in the Western countries comes from buildings. So there is a big potential for reducing our environmental impact. The services that we offer are many, but one of them that I'm involved in is the energy performance contracting business area. And that is where we help our customers improve their facilities and finance these improvements and investment through guaranteed energy savings.
If we don't save 20% of energy, then Schneider Electric will pay us the money that we don't get back in energy saving. If we didn't have this guarantee, we wouldn't have made this project.
And is it risky? Yes, of course it's risky if you don't know what you're doing, but we've been working on this for many years, so we would claim that we know what we're doing.
We have experience with these kind of contracts since '92, mainly in the USA, but also in Sweden. I think in total we have had 200 projects on this type of contracts. And that's of course a huge build-up of experiences and competences.
The buildings in Middelfart are actually pretty average. So it's not a worst case that we take and make better, but it's an average case that we take and make very good.
In this project we are fixing 100 buildings, and that's about 200,000 square meters. We have about 50 schools and kindergartens. We have health center, library, sports arena and buildings for older people. The project will cost about 44 million Danish kroner, and we will use that lot of money in 2 years, and the payback time will be about 10 or 11 years.
And most people then, when they hear those figures, then say, that's a pretty bad payoff. But there we have to think about why our customers do this with us. It's not to get a short payback. No, it's to improve their level of investments within their facilities and to reduce their carbon dioxide emissions.
I think there's a lot of benefits to this project. First, we are protecting our climate. We are also saving money, and we are also making a better climate in the buildings for people, and our school kids will learn better when the climate is good.
If you take Hyllehøjskolen as an example, we are replacing inefficient boilers, we are doing a lighting retrofit, we are optimizing their ventilation system and replacing some of it. We are installing better control systems.
You can say in a way we more or less have control of the brain of the building. And that's of course the right place to start when you want to control the energy consumption.
This project is about a lot more than just installing equipment. I would actually say that installing the equipment is what everybody could do. But installing the right equipment and providing the janitors and the facility managers with the right education and the right tools to run their buildings is key in energy performance contracting.
When the energy renovation is over, we will have computers in all our buildings to monitor our energy consumption.
They can basically sit and watch all the 100 facilities, and then they can see which buildings are performing and which buildings might be underperforming.
The project is not yet done, but there's a lot of publicity about the project in the whole Denmark. We have been in a lot of newspapers and magazines. Our economy minister have given us 10 million Danish kroners to make guidelines for other municipalities so they could make the same kind of project.
If all municipalities in Denmark, in Europe, in the world would do the same thing, and we could save 20%, then we would have come a long way to meeting our global targets.